H3N2 is spreading like wildfire in India. As per the recent survey in NCR, it was found that at least one member of 69% of population is infected by this virus, resulting in persistent cough, cold, and fever. In India, around 25% of the population is infected. I have shared a lot in the description in terms of precaution and symptoms. Save the reel and share with us.